guys, KT here. What's going on? Tonight I'm gonna be trying something different. Actually, it's not gonna be a reaction. I mean, it kind of is gonna be a reaction, but not of music. This is actually gonna be about the Amazon and what's been going on with the fires. I do know somewhat. Obviously, we all know it's been burning. But yeah, I don't know much like what the effects have been so far. I don't know how much has been burned. I don't know what they've been trying to do to fix it. Like, bitch, because it seems to me like a whole lot of shit got burnt. And I'm just saying, like, I like air. Like, we need to figure this shit out. Stat. Because what the fuck? Like, how you gonna tell me all the air, not all the air, all the trees, bitch, the Amazon, isn't that shit wet, first off? So I'm just, I don't know, maybe I'm dumb, but I thought that shit was wet. Like, I didn't, how the fuck is the Amazon on fire? Like, I've never heard of that shit happening. Like, we need to figure this shit out. So that's why we're gonna watch this fucking video. We're gonna get into it, and we're gonna figure out what's going on and what we need to do, because we need to do something, because this video was posted 2 days ago, and I'm looking at a lot of disaster. So we're gonna figure this out. Um, the video I have pulled up is "Communities Struggle to Battle Amazon Rainforest Fires" by CNN. Um, this was the first video that pulled up. I don't know how valid this is. Hopefully, it is very valid, because bitch, I'm trying to figure out the truth. We need the truth as the people. What the fuck? How the fuck it? Oh my god. Alright, whatever. So, yeah, we will have a deeper discussion once the video's over, so we could, like, talk about what we just watched, what the fuck, and what we need to do, because we need to do something. Stat. Let me look. Alright, here we go. Alright, guys. Oh, and I will have the video pulled up, so you could clearly watch along with me, and we're gonna get into it.
Brazil's president has announced a 60-day ban on using fires to clear land for livestock or farming. Jair Bolsonaro denies his policies have contributed to the destruction of the Amazon. Critics say he's partly to blame for easing environmental regulations to promote development. The fires this year have destroyed about 1.5 football fields worth of rainforest every minute of every day.
1.5 football fields every minute, every day, bitch. How many days has it been? Oh my fucking Brazil. This is not funny. I'm sorry to laugh. This is not funny like at all.
Give firefighters a chance.
Brazil president Ben.
Everything we see in a bumpy hour's drive to nowhere turned to ashes in the
Does someone have? Where's the witty water? Where the fuck is the water? Okay, so they're batting it.
That marches across the bush and into the trees when it can.
I don't know. Does that seem like it'll do it for you guys? I don't know.
The firefighters actually have to pull back.
No one has water? Bitch, there's a fucking helicopter and pour some water.
That overshadows an entire branch of our species here. The Tenyari are an indigenous community, 1,000 strong, who say they legally own nearly 1 million hectares nearby. The next generation will have a darker future, he says.
That's fucked up. This is people's homes, and they're there with like bats. I'm confused.
President Jair Bolsonaro is keen to bring what he calls progress to the Amazon, even pushing to let these areas be
To me, I don't know about you guys, but this shit kind of seems
the raging fires, all of which here have
very
burned
much
since it pledged to save
planned.
43,000 troops.
Because like, I just don't understand. Like, if this is your country,
The sun rises again on a little bit less of this
bitch,
marvel.
wouldn't you want like? And that's like,
The Tenyari didn't want to
isn't
be
the
part
Amazon
of
like
our
20% of the world's
but now it
oxygen?
wants
Like, that's
part of
very
them.
like. He said 1.5 football
A
fields
sign of what's fueling the
every
inferno.
minute.
Land cleared for cattle, so we can eat more beef.
Bitch, fuck the cattle. Get the water. What is happening? Why are you showing me a cow?
Line the busy roads. The firefighters that tackle the blaze here are 3 hours drive from the nearest village.
3 hours
This is the
drive.
land we flew over 4 days before, but the devastation is more final from the ground. Fires do occur naturally in the brush, like Bolsonaro says, but it was startling.
I don't know. I don't know. There's not.
Official we spoke to said very many
Because
are caused
like,
deliberately
okay, haven't I've heard that celebrities have been donating.
to farm,
So
to alleviate poverty, or just make the rich richer.
I'm just confused on how
Yet
that
they
is
don't
the
have the
best.
water here to put the fire out, only stop its spread.
I'm just confused. What does that mean? How would the fire spread it?
Damage limitation only, with
I mean,
the
water
most
spread
basic
it.
tools on the front line of this global
Yep, we're
environmental
gonna just
crisis.
hit it and like a mosquito, bitch. You're out.
Also, international correspondent Nick Morse joins me now from Porto Velho in western Brazil. And Nick, those
This
were
is a goddamn
extraordinary
shame.
pictures we witnessed in your report. And it really hits home the immense task that these firefighters have in front of them, putting out these fires by hand in some cases. From what you witnessed, is the only way to prevent further destruction to convince those with vested interests, the politicians, the farmers you mentioned, to actually change course?
Absolutely. I mean, you can see there, even if, for example, you manage to get the United States military, even Russia, China, all working together potentially to put these fires out.
That's
you
what
would
I'm
still
saying, bitch.
have an
It's not
enormous
even
struggle
just
to
the
get
celebrities.
enough
It's a
water
country.
dumped
So
on these
how the
parts of
fuck are you
Amazon
telling me
to actually make
that's
an
the
impact? These
best?
fires will continue to burn, and it's the pace of the burn that's the issue.
No, this is a fucked up shit.
Causes, acts like a catalyst, makes it happen faster, makes it more likely, is often the reason why fires are initially started. There is no real scientific measure as to how much of this crisis is man-made, but as I said anecdotally, a lot of
No,
people
this
we
seems
talk
very
to say
much
these
100%
fires, many of
man-made.
them are started by people as part of the deforestation process. So yes,
Is
obviously,
it just
if you
me?
see
Can
the
you guys
challenges
comment?
there,
Like, am I
small numbers of
crazy?
people
Because this
in
shit seems
vast
very much
expanses,
like.
it is just utterly back-breaking work for them. The only real ways to slow this down is to get the politicians to stop telling the people that it's okay to set fire to the forest, to clear the land for agribusiness, to stop promoting
This,
agriculture.
no, I don't think
preserving
anyone's
and
doing
keeping
that. I
the
don't.
growth
I,
and
that doesn't
protecting
seem
it,
right to me.
trying to find other
Because
ways
how
to
would the
get people
people
to
who
set
live there
fires to
be
enrich
so?
themselves through other means? Christina?
You're telling me their best option to
Nick,
clear
very important
shit
for
for
us
the
to
cows
see
is
these
to burn
pictures
it? Is
close up.
what you're
Thank
telling
you
me?
very much there from Portobello.
That doesn't sound right. Okay, so the video's over. I don't know about you, but that sounded like crazy to me. This conversation is definitely going to continue. It's definitely going to be a two-parter because I want to get more information because that definitely. I don't know. I feel like it did cover some points, but not the points that I wanted to. Like, it just sounded like, I don't know, to me, I mean, to you guys, but it sounded like a whole bunch of negativity. Like, that shit sounded crazy. Like, and you're telling me there's countries, like he said, China, Russia, fucking us, rich people donating money to the Amazon, but yet there's a football field burning every minute. Like, I don't know. Like, this is crazy. We really need to do something. I don't know what we need to do, and I'm gonna think about it because this shit. We need to do better as a community. This shit is crazy. Like, you're telling me the Amazon, 20% of our air is burning away. And you got fucking Selena and Harry having fucking 30 kids, bitch. Like, how, there's air, we need air, this is not crazy, bitch, we need to be go planting trees, we need to, I don't know, this is not good. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. I'm like in awe. This shit don't seem right. Like, is it not adding up for anybody else? Like, it is adding up 100%, but like, something doesn't seem. Like, you saw that shit. I'm not crazy. They were hitting it with, like, a big-ass fly swatter. Like, what do you mean that's the best option? This is crazy. Our world is crazy, guys. This is some shit. We need to open our eyes. Like, what the fuck? Bitch. We need everybody. Everybody. Go plant a tree, please. Please plant a tree. So that Selena and Harry's 30 kids can have air, bitch. Because this is crazy. Alright, well, I feel like I've chatted a bunch. And you guys are probably like, this guy is crazy as fuck. But no, I'm not crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. So, yeah, this is the end of this part of the video. I'm going to make a second part, and we're going to have a shit ton of information. And yes, please comment, guys, what you guys think of this situation, what you think we need to change, what you think we can do, because this shit is not good. Not good. Like, that's really, really not good. Alright, so until next time, guys, enjoy your night. Try and breathe if you can. Fuck, I mean, good luck.